In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Typeform responses to Excel on your PC. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC. Any modern browser will work. In the address bar, type typeform.com and press enter. When the page loads, log into your Typeform account. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your workspace. If not, enter your credentials and proceed to your dashboard. Once you're in, find the form whose data you want to export. Click the form to open it. You'll see several sections related to building, sharing, and analyzing your form. For this task, head to the Results area. This is where Typeform collects and organizes everything your respondents have submitted, so it's the best place to pull a clean dataset. Inside Results, click on Responses. This view lists individual submissions and gives you a clear snapshot of what's been collected. Now look for the Export option. This is usually positioned near the top right of the page, and it lets you download your data in different formats. Click Export to bring up the export choices. Select Excel or XLSX. This format is ideal for analysis in Microsoft Excel because it preserves column structure and data types in a way that's easy to work with. After choosing Excel by the XLSX, click Download. Your browser will begin saving the file. Keep an eye on your download indicator. Depending on your browser settings, the file may save automatically to your Downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location. Either way, remember where it's being saved so you can open it right away. Once the download completes, open the downloaded file. You can do this from your browser's download bar, your system's downloads folder, or wherever you saved it. When you open the file, it will launch in Microsoft Excel. If Excel is your default program for .xlsx files, it should open automatically. If not, you can right-click the file and choose to open it with Excel. With the spreadsheet open, your Typeform responses will be organized into rows and columns, making it straightforward to review, sort, and analyze. Headers typically match your form fields, and each row corresponds to a single response. If you plan to do deeper analysis, consider saving a copy with a descriptive name before you make changes so your original export stays intact. And that's it. You opened your browser, went to typeform.com, logged in, selected your form, navigated to Results and Responses, exported as Excel, XLSX, downloaded the file, and opened it in Microsoft Excel. You're ready to work with your data.